Upay mo.
Dito. Nandito ang kalaban. Enemy is here. Come. We minimize exposure. Some other groups, it's okay, but you expose yourself too much because all you did was, let's go. Come off fast. If there's somebody there, they take you off, right? So as you came up here, only one group, you must always have security everywhere. One group, I only saw have security up here. There. Right? Other guys, they just go straight. The other guys, they just pull outside. Okay? So different movements here. All the groups, they had security left or front, left, right, and rear. That was good. But as you guys come up to here, one group, very good tactic. I think it was the Navy. The Navy's group, they came up here. They went like this. They verified clear. That was good. But it's not the only way to do things. Another group, they came here. They did them up. Clear.
It's like pie. We call it pie. Sige daw. Yes. Halika rito. Halika ko yan. So close talaga, sir. Close each other. Sir,
So, zigzag. So, parang ikaw, pinamaano mo dyan. So, sinama mo move, sipunin mo ko. Okay? Yan, mag-fight ka.
okay.
Fight ka na ngayon. Okay, go. Okay.
I don't want to go too much into up, full security on the door to the right. Now this guy, nope. I'm here. This guy's pulling security straight down to the hallway. You're pulling security up here.
Up.
And then rear. Right? I'm pulling security here to the door in case somebody comes out. Good? Tracking?
Yes.
From here, we make our determination if we're going to call the preacher. And then the preacher comes around. So in this case, our techniques, it could be different with you guys on your squad. Okay? So with me and my squad, my technique is, or my hand and arm signal is preacher. This is the sign of preacher.
Richard, the last man.
So preacher comes up, looking up. Preacher comes, looking down. Great security. Yeah. You're gonna tell him. So this is supposed to be me. Come on, okay. Full security on the front.
One guy.
Breacher comes up. Coming. Let him know. Now, I'm coming through. So I check the door. I check for any booby traps. Right? Looking for any wires, any dead port, or anything that looks out of the ordinary. So identify the hinges. In this case, I don't see no hinges. And then I see the doorknob here. So I'm going to tell these guys, the door, like quietly, opens this way. The door opens this way. Then everyone should give me acknowledge. They know. Right, so they acknowledge. Then, we're going to breach. Back, and keep it tight. Because it's a closed door, we're not rocking on the stack. We're not rocking to go in. So in this case, I'm going to tell them, I'm going to breach on 3. 1, 2, 3. Breach. And then they go in. Okay? We're going to cover what happens when they go in. Okay? So this is the hallway. You don't need to put security here. Building. It's close. So this is the okay, so that's what they call the rolling T, right? Is I pull security straight to the front. This guy is pull security to the right and left. This guy's left and right. This guy is for security. But he's supposed to be proficient more, and he should be able to move backwards, right? Let's try again. That's called the rolling T. Inside, you have to clear. I want you to push the always the door every time.
Pagtadyak, pulis pa rin. May pasok mo. Kaya ako nasa pindong mo ganun. Pasok ka rin. Wala na lang ganun. Pagtadyak ang pindong. Karto na.
That's an open door.
Open door. Open door yun. So, opening sir is ini. Yeah.
Okay. 2, 1. Clear. Harap. Bring out. Door close na. Door close na. Door close na. Pati pa yung Hilo. Here. Go. Cross ha. Move. Move. Corner. Five. 1, 2, 3, go. Sniper.
Ow!
Come on this side.
Huh?
How come nobody secured this side?
Ay. Sniper.
Tawa sir.
Left, right side, right.
Clear. Go clear. Clear. All the way clear. Okay. Now we're able to identify where you messed up, and then you came back and said, let's redo it again. I think with more practice, some of you guys are still a little bit confused of what to do and what your role is, but with a little bit more practice, you guys will be able to cover it. What I did like is when you identified the corners or hallway, you guys always took into factor that you must always post security, and that's what you guys did. If you didn't post security, maybe one guy would take out the whole team. You know, it's fairly well. You guys just continue to practice, and we're going to have more time this afternoon. We're going to show what right almost looks like, and then from there, hopefully, you guys will pick up some stuff from it. Okay?
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Very good, Marie. We are still on the third day. This is our scenario, the CQB. As you can see, on the far left, they are the Philippine Navy sailors, and on the other is the Philippine Marines. Here are the Philippine Army, and in the middle is our instructor, Staff Sergeant Salas. So siyang magkudlo sa Moag CQB. So we are here at the Camp Felix Apolinario and conducting a training. Close quarter demonstration. And over there, same, the Philippine Navy and the Philippine Air Force. They are there training. And also, over there, the Philippine Air Force are also training a CQB. So kill house, this is tawag ang kill house, glass house. So ayun sila. So later on, mo-join ako din sa mga Marines. So Army ang unang nag-perform. Army ang unang nag-perform.
Palandong.
Ano yun? Si tahon ko, nag-document ko sir, nag-document.
Baka post document.
Sabi? Sabay-sabay ang ano eh. Hmm.
Tulungan ka grupo ko.
What? Doon ka grupo ang army.
Dito lang ba ano?
Gubot kita na. Naman tayo bakante dito.
Wapo ka na kita noon. Ano yung composite?
Royal Rumble ba? Philippine Navy. Look at the Philippine Navy. Napa sila sa hallway. Hallway then. Ha? Lima-lima. Tama ning sa Navy, duha ka nga sa hallway, tulo ang isulod. Binanggaay ang baril. Expose kayo. Uy. Sige lang. Mali, ilampasin nilang isa sa room. Ayun, mabalik pa sila sa isa ka room. The army. Look at the army. Search Grande ang nag-lead. They are now maneuvering na. Verifying. Ginawa ni Sarge Grande is verify.
I'm waiting for Miss Ann.
Okay. Clear.
You gotta call me right back. Miss Ann's gonna call me back.
Gaya nakalihok sa Marines. Nakabalik na ng Navy. Station Marines. Station. Okay. Move. Verifying.
Full way. Full clear. One door to the left, one door to the right. Okay? Copy. Move. Move. Go. Stop on me. Stop on me. Ba. One up. Two up. Okay. Three up. Four up. Search. Search. Clear. Clear. Clear.
So 6-man team man ni sila no. So i-divide nila ang 2 rooms kay inatbangay ang duha ka open. Sige, ready. Yun.
Move.
Pasok.
Kamu dito.
Diya lang. So security ang duha sa hallway, ang duha nisulod sa room, then ang duha po nisulod sa room. Move, tama.
Move clear. Left and right. Move. Left and right. Forward.
Then ang next scenario is inatbangay gihapon ang duha ka door. Inatbangay ang duha ka door. So duha ka door ang ginatbangay. Open door. Move. Nice.
Come out! Takon ni. Yan na.
Oh, una man open door. So dari.
Ako yung kwan. 1, 2, 3.
Security lang ka. Dari nakatubang siya. Shari.
Friendly forces coming out. Mag-report ka. Naay kuhan. Friendly coming out.
Release coming out.
Friendly forces coming out.
Release coming out. Friendly forces coming out. Come out. Come out.
Out coming out.
Likod, sir. Likod ni kuan, likod ka. Yan na. Oh.
Dim na lang siya.
Oh.
Padim na lang. Banil. Banil lang siya. Banil na lang. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Pero, yun ba ito?
Good. Okay. So they are performing close quarter battle, no? Yan. Since dako ang hallway.
Ayaw magdakot na. Dakot. Dakot. Diyan. Shock. Whoop. Move clear. What up on me? Move is near. Stop on me. Friendly forces. Come out. Come out.
Friendly forces come out.
Come out.
Whoop. Whoop. Move there. Come on me.
Friendly coming out. Come out. Come out. Door left. Door right. Door right.
Security siya.
Go clear. Tama. Stop on me. Go up. Go up. Go clear.
Friendly forces coming out.
Stop on me.
Oh shit! Nice. Good job.
Way. Torne mo din yan. Okay. Move.
Rear security. Rear security. Dikit.
Dikit.
Ayaw kalimti mo likod. Oh, silip-silip pa lang.
Ayaw cool, bata ka cool. Okay.
Oh, very good, very good.
Tikit mo, ayaw magbulas.
Ay mo, pag ginapakay. Move, 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 move. Ready?
Clear.
That's friendly. Friendly. Yes.
Friendly to sir.
Only yes. The master sergeant is not friendly.
Okay, naik. Naik. Ay close na door din sa ano sa left and dito stop. Go.
Don't hit that door, okay?
Glass, don't hit the glass. Open the door. Double. Okay. Watch the glass. Check lang. Lock. Stop. Okay. Ready? Ako. Ayun na ako sa 1, 2, 3. Okay. Start.
Patay.
One kasunti.
Okay, wait. You gotta take this here. Wait.
Who's dead?
Okay, casualties alive now. Casualties alive.
Where's the kasunti?
It was him. One of you guys. Alive now. Okay, good. Keep on.
Kanila ko sa. Wait na na. Check sa lang ko.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Guys, stop.
What do you see?
One. May door din yan. Door. One door open. Security.
This door here, not in play. Look, this door, not in play. This door.
One hallway. How about hallway? I think it's one hallway. Yeah, hallway. Left and right. Okay, left and right. Hallway. Hallway and right? Yes. Okay, I clear. Clear na po. Okay, move. Move. Hallway. Move. Back or leave. One, two, three.
You got it first. You got it first. You got it first.
Very good.
That was good. What do you see? What do you see?
Open room. Open room. Left side.
Windows and doors.
No coaching, no coaching.
One open room to the side.
Only two guys? Three guys or four guys? How many meeting from that? Physical. Ready, physical. Opposite. Stop. Ready. 1, 2, 3. Superman! Lay door. Okay, good. Here, door. You probably say, oh, fucking Marine. Okay, so what else I like is the windows. You're the only unit that took in factor the windows. You said, oh, window. Here, window. Yeah, I like that. That was good. Going here into this room, you're the only unit that took factor into the vent that's there. That's why the number 2 guy, he slowed down. Because he saw the vent, he saw another opening. That's okay, that's good. But don't slow down next time. Okay? Maybe when you see the vent like that, you come in, you stop right next to it. Don't stop at the door because everybody is stuck in there. Yeah. That was good. When you guys are coming down, you had a plan. You had a plan to one guy go left, one guy go straight. I know that was your plan because the squad leader was like this, like that. But the plan wasn't executed correctly. That's why some guys got shot. But the fact that you guys factored in that there might be a door there. So that was good. Okay, good job.
Okay,
Tapon ni. Siguro na masyado. Pwede na. Tapon ni. Okay, verifying. Verifying. Clear. Open door. Open door. Clear. Moving. First man up. Second man up. Fourth man up. Clear. Room clear. Moving out. Moving. Up. Here. Up. Okay. Oh. Pwede po ito na magbuhat ng security. Okay? Tack on me. Ang paa ha. Sabay paa. Room open. First man up. Fourth man up. Clear. Moving out. No, friendly yan. Door closed, full way. Security. Yes, sir. Clear. Clear, wala pa. Oh. Door closed, need demolition. Good. One man up. Second man up. Third man up. Room clear. Moving. Out. Go na muna. Go na po nga. Pan. Go nito nga. Ako na last. Sniper guys, gawas ha. Kaming doang siya pag-verify ha. Sniper. No. Verify. Search. Kneeling. Clear. Pinto ka, Dre. Pinto ka. Standing ka. Hindi pasok ko. Street sa kuha. Street ito, ana. Okay. Moving out. Clear. All clear. Okay. Moving out.